started as a construction company, and then we grew to be the first indigenous EPC company. When you say EPC, it's Engineering, Procurement and Construction, which is an acronym for a type of project that you take as a turnkey project, all the way to maintenance also in some cases. We've grown to basically cover our activities across the IOCs, like the likes of Shell. We started our business working for Shell, building pipelines for Shell. And then we have grown to work for other IOCs like Total, like Chevron. We have also worked extensively for NNPC and these subsidiaries like NGC. You may wish to know that we have constructed more than 75 pipelines across the whole country, notably from the Niger Delta area all the way to the middle belt of Nigeria. And as we speak, we are commissioning the largest size gas pipeline, the OB3 gas pipeline system, which comprises of the pipeline itself and the gas treatment plant in Oben. And when you say OB3, it means starting from OBOB, Obiafon, Obricon, all the way to Oben. So if you look at that, that has the largest size of any gas pipeline built in Nigeria, which is 48 inches diameter. We are commissioning that, and it has the capacity to take 2 billion standard cubic feet of gas a day. When we came into this industry, there was little or no indigenous participation in this scope of activities. We came in as a pioneer, and it was based on the fact that I worked for Schlumberger internationally. I came back to Nigeria in 1993, actually, and then started setting up this business. And what has driven it is the whole idea of applying international standards in the oil industry, because oil industry operates on international standards. You can localize the standards. Oilserv is one of the few companies that qualified, ISO qualified early enough. We have upgraded our ISO to ISO 9001 2015. We have that, which is the latest. And also we are ISO 14000 qualified. So in terms of standard, all our staff, they follow this standard. We keep to this standard. The indigenous capacity building is very crucial, because that was the main reason why I decided to leave my work and come back to Nigeria to build capacity, because I saw a huge amount of gap between what could be done by Nigerians and what was being done by Nigerians at the time. Today, we have been able to push and set up NCDMB, which was again is still based on the Logic Act, which set it up. To set up the Local Content Act, we lobbied for it using the Petroleum Technology Association of Nigeria, PETAN, of which I'm a pioneer member. And then when you talk of building local capacity, it makes a lot of difference, because local capacity is the only way you indigenize the service delivery in the industry and keep value in Nigeria. If you are producing oil at 60 or paying for oil or getting oil bought at $60 a barrel, you may wish to know that the cost of producing this in terms of services can go between $15 to $20 a barrel, depending on the cost profile. That amount you look at and you say is $15 a barrel. That value, if you can localize it in Nigeria, it creates more developmental effects compared to the oil that we actually sell